Now I have to sing the song Rain, Rain, Go Away. It is so unfortunate that I am not able to show you the scenic beauties of Sarita Vihar because of this bloody traffic jam. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. Now I am at Kalindi Kunj. So this road trip will be from Kalindi Kunj till Sarita Vihar. Since this area is in South Delhi, so I will try to show you some areas of South Delhi. I don't know why Google Map is not working properly. I have heard that this is a GD Birla Mark. After 400 meter, I had to take a ramp. I had to take left towards Faridabad Road. Directions. Let's see what's there after 3 kilometers. Since I have been told to move here till 3 kilometers. Now I have to sing the song Rain, Rain, Go Away. आज ट्यूसडे का दिन है फिर भी इतना ट्रैफिक जैम. Today it is Tuesday, still traffic jam. Why haven't these people reached to their office and workplace? If they want to reach office earlier, then they should ride quickly, especially these car drivers. It is so unfortunate that I am not able to show you the scenic beauties of Sarita Vihar because of this bloody traffic jam. So friends, I have to end my video here since I have reached Sarita Vihar. See you in the next video.